Good morning, brother and sister. Wild night last night, right?
Yeah, same clothes.
So hungover, right?
Yeah, just fucking trash. I'm surprised we made it home.
Just kidding, we're not hungover, but it is a totally unique feeling for me to go to bed at like 3 in the morning and wake up at 10 in the morning, or actually woke up at 9 and just feel like, oh man, like we didn't get a lot of sleep. But it's fun sometimes. That like never happens to me. I'm usually always asleep by 11 or midnight and up by 6 or 7 in the morning. So feeling good though, and I'm completely out of Maggie's vdog food. So now it is time for Maggie to transition her diet to a 100% homemade vegan diet. I'm stoked about that. My roommate, when I was in the Bay Area, made his own dog food for his pup. I just looked up some recipes. I have all the ingredients I need. So here is Maggie's new dog food recipe. Lentils. Alright, so pretty much we have just boiled and stewed up rice, lentils, cauliflower, carrots, and I think that is it. And now I'm about to add the oil. I just bought some canola oil, because obviously dogs, well maybe you don't know this, but dogs need a higher fat and protein macronutrient ratio than us frugivore humans do. So I'm going to add in flax seeds, maybe some peanut butter, and oil to this. I think they need more of like a 30-30-30 macronutrient ratio, like fats, protein, carbs would be pretty good for dogs, but you can obviously do your research as to exactly what they need. Maggie, you eat as well as us. Dude, how good does this smell? Her food.
It smells so good, I need to start making food. Because I started getting hungry smelling it.
It is gourmet. I'm going to add in the flax now. You get a bunch of flax in there.
All you want.
Boom. Hit you up. Get some of that hitta.
Good.
Look at that green mango oatmeal slop. Delicious.
Hell yeah.
Now I stewed this down. It's real nice and soft. I'm even going to hit it in the blender a little bit just to make it even more edible for her. Cool it down, and I think this is going to last her about 7 days. This is a huge pot, and I think the total cost of this was honestly under $4. So it can be extremely cheap to have a healthy, homemade, gourmet, vegan pup. Ain't that right, Mags? I added some extra water just to cool it down. It'll be probably a little thicker in the future. But she is not opposed. Definitely not opposed. That food is going to be gone in 2 seconds. Take your time, Maggie. Take your time. Awesome. The last thing I'm going to do is, blend it up as I said, and I'm going to add Daily Green Boost powder because I love Daily Green Boost, and I have some, and it's really good for dogs. By the way, as you know, it's what I put in my smoothies. I travel with it. I have it right in here in my goji berry container, but this is Daily Green Boost. It is the best stuff ever. I eat it every single day. I put it in my smoothies. I drank it this morning, and it's barley grass juice powder, just concentrated down into a powdered form. It gives you all the micronutrition that you could ever want in a massive salad full of greens that you could never actually chew with, in one meal, but you get it concentrated and you can put it in your smoothies, whatever, and you get like your micronutrition boom. It's just the best stuff ever. It's the company is run by my friend Jamie, who's a vegan. It's a small company. It's a really high quality organic raw product, and you can buy bottles of Daily Green Boost on dailygreenboost.com using the Plantriotic discount code. You get 10% off your purchase. I get a tiny commission, and you're supporting a vegan business. You can feed it to yourself, to your loved ones, or your dog loved ones. So definitely go buy a bottle of
I just had it
DTB.
for the first time.
Isn't it good?
No lie, it's really fucking good, and it gives your brain this little, like, energized feeling, like, yeah, it's really fucking good.
I say that I literally feel it in my cells when I eat it. I go
It's
like,
good.
"Zero." Is good stuff. So go buy some DGB and use Plantriotic as the discount code. Hey Mags, did you like it? Oh, she liked it, my friends. That's awesome. Now, like, I don't have to worry by buying vegan dog food. I am good to go. It's 2 o'clock. We've been in the house pretty much all day. We took a trip this morning to fill up our water jug and took a little walk at our local store. But that's it. Some of the ladies that we met last night invited us to a CrossFit class this afternoon, which we were so stoked to go to. And then they've been messaging me on Instagram like, the hours changed. Let me get back to you. So we don't really know what's going on with that. We're not stalling. I'm just crushing work. I loved it. I made some Steam It posts. I made a Steam It post about different vegan diets and the price and cost of each ones. We have like keto vegan, high carb vegan, raw till 4, raw vegan, junk food vegan, whole food plant-based, and then I address like what they are and how much they would cost per week. I think it's a cool post, so go check me out on steamit.com, and I'm Plantriotic on there. Yeah, we've been chilling. I'm really trying to give Maggie some chill time too. Like, I like to go out and move my body and run every day or walk, but I know she needs a bit more rest than me. It's just hard for her. It's not that it's hard for her. She always wants to go hard, but I know I need to give her some rest in order to just be healthy and recover from her new lifestyle. So yeah, we're just chilling here. It's 2, it's warm, it's nice. I'm gonna make some more food. I'm so used to my days being like, bike 100K or go do something epic, and I'm really glad that now in my life I can just like live life and have chill days and be able to talk with you about topics. I'll film some Patreon videos now. Comment down below what kind of Patreon videos you want me to make. You can only view them if you pledge $1, $2, $3, $10, whatever you want a month. All the videos I post on my Patreon page, I don't discriminate based on the price of what you pledge. So I'll be totally honest. If you pledge $1 per month, you're going to get access to all the videos that I post on there, even if you pledge $10 a month. And I'm not saying that so that everyone goes and ranks down their pledge to $1. I'm just saying that to be honest, to tell you the honest truth. But I hope that you would pledge whatever value you want to pledge for Maggie and I's life to keep living this bike life. Oh my god, so sweet. But yeah, I'm gonna film some Patreon vids, so let me know if you are a patron what topics you want me to rant about or discuss or philosophize. I'm gonna go make an orange mint smoothie, I think. I'm just answering some comments, and I read that Mara here asks, how do you carry your laptop on your tour, because she is going to be doing some touring soon and doesn't want to smash her laptop. That is a very important thing, especially in my life, so I thought I should definitely show you. I have this TomTalk case for my MacBook, and it's awesome. There's a zipper right here, and you can put things in there like SD cards or paperwork or whatever. It stays very secure, and it's padded in here for your laptop. It's pretty looking, it's a good design. On Amazon, that's where I got it, and I've used this since Alaska, and it fits, it slides right into this sleeve kind of area of my pannier, and it just fits like a glove, and I love it. So go check it out. This is not a sponsored post in any way. This is just what I use. Okay, Edwin, do it. Nice job. ¿Te gusta, Maggie? ¿Qué es tu favorito parte de Maggie? I've been in Mexico, I have no idea how many days, probably a week, maybe a little over, and I'm already surprising myself at how in-depth I'm getting in conversations with locals that I meet. That family, I just met Lily and Edwin, and I forgot the other son's name, but I told them pretty much in-depth that Maggie and I are traveling the world by bicycle. We came from Alaska, we are now here, we're staying in a house in town for 10 days, and like I can say all of that stuff in Spanish and have a legitimate conversation, and I've only been here a week. It's gonna be insane. I am not leaving Mexico and South America in general until I'm fluent in Spanish, but I think that's gonna come much quicker than the time that I do leave. I'm so stoked about it. I sucked at Spanish in school. It was my worst subject. I got like C's and B minuses, and it caused me so much stress because I didn't like the school system in general. I'm just not really made for it. I'm a free spirit, as you know, and I don't like to follow bullshit rules, and there is a lot of that when a bunch of old stuck-up teachers are teaching you. Now, there are different schools that can provide people with different opportunities, and education is so important, learning is so important, and yes, schools are a valuable thing, and I support going to school, but it still means it could suck for some of us, and some of it sucked for me, and I'm so grateful that I can be just a student of the world now full time, and now I'm so excited to learn Spanish because it's not in the same context of testing and social dynamics and all this stress that I didn't like in high school, but I can do it authentically and freely, and it's fun and it's coming so natural. So if you're not good at something and you're young but you have a passion for it or it sounds interesting, before you give up and quit, just ask yourself if you're really putting yourself in the best place to learn that topic. Maybe you just need a change of setting. It's not that you have to give up. So don't give up so quickly. This is why you all watch my vlog, because I go deep and I get real, like what I'm about to just do. So Maggie just took a poop, and I'll be honest, most people in Mexico do not even clean up their dog's poop. They just leave it, and most people would say, you're so weird for even trying to clean that up, just leave it because everyone else does. But that's called the tragedy of the commons. If everyone had that attitude and everyone left the poop here, then the park would be covered in poop, or someone would have to clean it, versus everyone individually doing their part and making it all happen. Now, I could, so that's why I clean up poop no matter where I am, because I don't want to step in other people's poop, so even though it's there, I'm going to do my best to clean up. Boom, look at that, no poop on my hands. I did it, and that's important in life because, but the issue with picking up poop is that it takes up plastic. I need to buy some biodegradable bags, poop bags. I will do that immediately. But for now, I just have plastic bags, so I have one in my pocket because I come prepared. But I had the choice to use that plastic or save it for another time and use the orange peel in my pocket as the poop pickup. And yes, maybe I'll get a tiny bit of poop on my hands, whatever. It's not as convenient, but it's better for our Mother Earth that loves us and supports us and gives us all the life that we live. You know, everyone says, stop being so cliche or dramatic or so over the top about Mother Earth. You can't ever be too cliche or praise the source of all of life that lets us be here. We're a product of its incredibleness. We are its incredibleness. We're a manifestation of it. But it's also just the other parts that make the puzzle, the trees, the soil, the water, the animals dying and being born and pooping and everything that comes together. You have to appreciate that in deep devotion at all times. You can never devote yourself too much to appreciating Mother Earth, so we try to protect it, and we use our hands sometimes to pick up our dog's poop instead of a plastic bag because it'll be better for her, for mama. Dude, we're really learning about this place. We finally understand the hot water situation. It took us about 3 days.
Yeah.
First, we didn't know that we had to keep clicking the on switch of the water heater just to spark the fire again. So we thought it was automatic because the dude said specifically, like, automatico, you don't have to click it, but you do have to click it. We got it now. And yeah, pretty dope dinner. It's like half guacamole, half mashed potatoes with nooch. Dude, do you think I'm gonna be able to find nooch at a grocery store?
I think when there's a will, there's a way.
Amen.
I think it'll arise into your life if it needs to be there.
Thank you so much. Let's put that energy into use and go find some tomorrow.
Wait, there's avocado in this?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the creamy factor.
How much?
Half an
curious.
avocado, half of a large avocado, and the other half is in the fridge if you want it.
Alright.
Maggie is cleaning her paws as she does every night. Good girl. Very good grooming, my love. Very good grooming. Can't wait to cuddle later, my hyena. Much love, Dream Extreme fam. The boys are getting their rest. Back to hitting the streets tomorrow.